stupid thing. So I have a camcorder on now. This is Lena from Just a Little Bit Country. Today I'm working on the redbirds. Let's get all my colors out here that we have left. And I'll just record it. Record it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 colors left. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 colors left. Have to find them over there when it's time. That's not true. I just did all the J's. That's not true. I just did all the J's last night. J can come over here. So that beats that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors left. Yes, I do. So let's go with V, which would be 318. Alrighty. Put it halfway through here. There. To go pick up my child support today and load my card. And I have to go home and pay the electricity bill, which pretty much is everything on the alimony and child support card. I need to go to Lowe's and get some topsoil, some plant, like flower, Miracle-Gro, and some potting soil. Because I'm going to be, and I need to get 2 more climbing rose bushes. Yeah, I'm going to take and dig up these plants that's out here in the front. I don't know what kind of bushes they were. They weren't blooming when I moved in. They haven't bloomed yet. They look dead, so they're coming up out of the ground. I don't want them there. I'm going to put 3 climbing rose bushes there up there between my porch and my sidewalk, so they can go up the banister. I'll put the pink in the middle, and then I'm going to put the 2 yellow ones on the end. Or if I get another pink one, I'll put the yellow in the middle and the 2 pink ones on the end, depending on how that works out. And then in between them, I have some other flowers I can plant. And then I got to get out there, and what I need to do is get out there and get the old crap pulled up and get it weeded and put down some good dirt and get it ready to get everything in the ground when this frosty crap is over. And I have some elephant ears to get in the ground, some other stuff, and I also bought 2 more grapevines to put down with my other grapevine down in the back there. bought some oat milk thinking that would be good, and I do not like it. I'd rather drink goat milk than oat milk. Oat milk is yucky. So I used it as creamer for my coffee. But I think Ariana liked the taste of the oat milk. This is out working on his car and my car. He had to do some calipers and stuff on his vehicle and brakes. And mine has to do a hub assembly. Hello? I am putting this bird together. What's up? Which one?
Allie.
No, why?
Let's go.
Do what?
Brought breakfast. And nobody answered the motherfucking door.
She don't wake up till 11.
She said she'd be awake at 10.
What time is it?
11.
Want me to call her and wake her up for you? Are you out there in front of her house? Okay, and she told you to come over?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'll call her and see if I can get her ass up and tell her you're standing there with breakfast in your hand and everything. All right, bye. Okay, well, I'll call again.
Okay.
Bye. You know, they need to stop that bullshit.
Oh.
They told him he could come over this morning and shower, and he said he'd bring breakfast, and now the little bitches won't come to the door. Allie and Chance. You know, they're always wanting somebody to help them. You know what I'm saying? They told him last night he could come over this morning and shower, and he said he'd bring breakfast, and they said, okay. She said, I'll be awake at 10, and now they won't open the door for him. You know what I'm saying? The last time it was Chance begging him to come over and help him finish putting that thing together. He went over there and helped him, you know?
still over there?
Yeah. I mean, if they don't want him there, they need to fucking tell him. You know what I'm saying? Instead of telling him to come over. Yeah, come over. You can come take a shower. And he says, I'll bring breakfast. That's a filthy fucking way to do somebody. I'm sorry, but it is.
Chance should be at work, shouldn't he?
I don't know. Well, Allie's there. She told him she'd be up at 10. Guess I'll try to call her again.
Chance not answering his phone. I don't know.
I'm just sorry saying that's a sorry fucking way to do somebody. You tell them they can come over and then, won't answer your phone.